I bet you didn't know you can start a profitable side hustle with just a few bucks and some creativity. In today's world, the opportunities are endless, and with a little bit of effort, you can turn your spare time into a money-making venture. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a new career path, side hustles are a fantastic way to achieve your financial goals. So let's explore some exciting options that require minimal investment but can yield significant returns. Let's dive into the top 3 for 2024, shall we? These side hustles are not only easy to start, but also have the potential to grow into something much bigger. So grab a notebook and pen and let's get started. First up, we have freelancing, a flexible and rewarding option. Freelancing allows you to work on your own terms, choose your clients and set your rates. It's perfect for those who have a specific skill set and want to monetize it. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer or marketer, there's a demand for your skills in the freelance market. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork make it super easy to sell your skills, whether it's graphic design, writing or even voiceovers. These platforms connect freelancers with clients from all over the world, providing a steady stream of opportunities. You can start by creating a profile, showcasing your portfolio and bidding on projects that match your expertise. No big investment needed, just your talent and dedication. The key to success in freelancing is to build a strong reputation by delivering high-quality work and maintaining good relationships with your clients. Over time, you can increase your rates and take on more complex projects, turning your side hustle into a full-time career if you wish. Next, consider print on demand, a creative and fun venture. Print on demand allows you to design custom products and sell them online without worrying about inventory or shipping. It's an excellent option for artists, designers, and anyone with a knack for creating unique designs. Sites like Teespring and Redbubble let you design custom products like t-shirts and mugs. You can upload your designs, set your prices, and promote your products through social media and other channels. When a customer makes a purchase, the platform handles the printing and shipping, allowing you to focus on creating more designs. They handle the printing and shipping, so you focus on creating cool designs. The more unique and appealing your designs are, the more likely they are to sell. You can experiment with different styles, themes, and niches to find what resonates with your audience. Over time, you can build a brand and a loyal customer base, turning your print-on-demand business into a profitable venture. Lastly, there's reselling gently used items, a sustainable choice. Reselling is a great way to make money while decluttering your home and reducing waste. You can find items to resell at thrift stores, garage sales, and even in your own closet. Look for items that are in good condition and have a resale value, such as clothing, electronics, and collectibles. Platforms like eBay and Facebook Marketplace are perfect for flipping thrift store finds. These platforms allow you to reach a wide audience and sell your items quickly. You can start by taking clear photos of your items, writing detailed descriptions, and setting competitive prices. As you gain experience, you can learn to spot valuable items and negotiate better deals, or even your old stuff, giving them a new life. Reselling is not only profitable but also environmentally friendly. By giving used items a second chance, you're reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding way to make extra money. It's sustainable and easy on the wallet. Whether you're looking to make a few extra bucks or start a full-fledged reselling business, this side hustle offers plenty of opportunities. You can even specialize in a particular niche, such as vintage clothing or electronics, to stand out from the competition. So whether you're a creative, a designer, or just looking to declutter, there's a side hustle here for you. The key is to find something that aligns with your interests and skills and to stay committed to your goals. With a little bit of effort and determination, you can turn your side hustle into a successful venture. Start small, dream big, and watch your side hustle grow in 2024. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that first step today and start building the future you want. Good luck and happy hustling. Start small, dream big, and watch your side hustle grow in 2024. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that first step today and start building the future you want. Good luck and happy hustling.